Welcome to the messy kitchen with your host Miss G. Welcome to the messy kitchen, cooking for you and me. Welcome to the messy kitchen.
Hi everyone, it's Miss G here. Today we're going to be practicing our knife skills. It's important that we have permission from an adult and adult supervision when practicing this. So let's get started. Before we get chopping, we need to learn how to hold the knife correctly. It's really important that you have a good grip on the knife. This will help you control the knife whilst cutting. Remember, when you're finished using the knife, you should place it back on the chopping board. The bridge is the first chopping method. Using the hand you write with to hold the knife, the other hand will form a bridge above what you are chopping. Carefully bringing the knife through the bridge slowly, slice against the chopping board. Place the knife down when finished. You should practice this on soft food before moving on to harder foods. I call this chopping method the claw. You must curve your fingers like a claw to be safe when chopping. Use your claw to grip what you are chopping, making sure all your fingers are behind the knife, even your thumb. Using the tip of the knife to position where you will chop, carefully checking where your fingers are placed. Then you can begin to slice what you are chopping. You should move your claw back each time you need to slice again.
Welcome to the messy kitchen.